Alright, for my web-based technology number 2, I am going to explain to you about Goodreads. My intended audience for this video is for basically any other adults. It's great for teachers, but it's also good for just my friends or other adults who like to read. So you create an account and you sign in, and Goodreads is free. You can also access it through Facebook. There's an app you can use on your phone, so it's easily accessible. Everything is free, but that's also why you will see some ads up here. So there's so much on this that's amazing. So in 2019, I started a reading challenge. So you can start a reading challenge and you decide how many books you want to do. So if we go to View Challenge, I decided that I wanted to read 10 books this year. And I actually went a lot lower than I thought I would read, which is good because I'm already ahead of schedule. But it's just to set yourself a goal if you want to. There's no pressure. It's just I like to keep track. And as I'm finding as I get older, what happens is when I read a book, I like to remember that I read it, and then I can rate it on Goodreads. And I can write a synopsis of what I liked about it, or what I didn't like about it, or why I gave it the rating it did. It's a great way for me to pick out what I want to read next, and I can get suggestions from my friends. So over on the top right screen, over here, this is the friends screen. If I click on that, I can find friends from Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, or friends of friends in Goodreads. So here are some of my current friends right now. Some of them have a picture because they've uploaded a picture. You don't have to do that. And these friends, I can see what they're reading. So if I click on Lindsay's page, I can see that these are her favorite books. I can see where she is from, which I already know because she's actually a friend in real life. I can see what she's currently reading. I can see what I rated the book. So I have read this book, so I gave it a 5-star rating, which is, so I know that I liked it, and she possibly could be reading it because I liked it and we're friends, and she might have seen that I liked it. We have some similar tastes between us, so she's reading a lot of books that I have read, and she's also completing the challenge. Not really a competition. I can also, from friends, I can go back. I can add friends up here, which is pretty cool. There's a message button, so a lot of times Goodreads will have book giveaways. So if you follow an author or you want to be interested in a book giveaway, you can come to the community, and what happens is you can enter a book giveaway, and I actually won a free book. The only stipulation if you win is they ship you the book free. You just have to write a recommendation for the book or what you thought of the book. Guess not a recommendation, but your evaluation of it. And it tells you like, oh, Lisa Jewell is an author I like, and she's recommending this book. So you get other ideas. If I click on community, I can go to anything out of these categories. So if I want to go to quizzes, I can click on quizzes. So this would be good if you are like a high school English teacher, or if you just want to take a silly quiz, like the Hunger Games quiz, just for your own fun, you can do that. I could also, from the community, I could ask the author questions if I click on that. I can find events. So if I click on events, I would have to put in some more information, but I could see like author appearance is coming up, or a book club meeting, or a book swap. I can also go to browse and look for recommendations for books. So based on my ratings, they give me other recommendations based on the category. So my interest in fiction, my interest in mystery, which is pretty cool. I can also, Choice Awards, I can look for books, the best books of 2019, which are Choice Awards, which is cool. I can see where the voting is. I can vote for different things. I could also go by genre. I could look by genre and look for recommendations. I can do giveaways, which I was talking about before. So you can go based on a giveaway, you enter the giveaway and it's free. And then like different giveaways have different amounts of books they give away. It's pretty cool. And then I also, if I wanted to like search for a book, so let's say as a teacher I'm looking for a book, I actually used this Goodreads site for another class at Fort Hays. So if I go to Charlotte's Web, I just click on it. And what's cool about this, because I'm going for library media specialist, it gives you synopsis of the book. And if you scroll down, what was helpful is that it gives you all the literary awards it's won, if it's won any. It gives you the editions, and tells you about the characters, which is pretty cool. And then if you continue to scroll down, you get information about the author, and you also get other books that the author has written, and you can get friend reviews. So these are all my friends who have rated it and what they rated it. Some of them will say, give a more detailed explanation, some of them will not. There again, why I said it's more for adults is because they're, like, if I go to Murphy's Law, it's kind of like almost a little scandalous to cover. You probably wouldn't want little kids looking at this, but this is for adults, so look for other books and get some ideas. So, thanks for watching.